Okay, put it down here, and then stick your finger in it, get it stuck, and ask Daddy. Ask Mommy politely.
What do you ask Mommy politely, Lex?
Excuse me, Mama, please.
Excuse me, Mama, please help. My finger's stuck. Can you get your finger stuck again? What do you say?
Excuse me, Mama, please.
Excuse me, Mama, help me, please.
Excuse me, Mama, please.
Excuse me, Mama, help me, please.
Mama, please.
Yes. Please help with this? Okay, are you going to make it a flower?
Make a flower.
Okay, press that in there. Make a flower. Press down hard. You might need to hold with both hands. If you want Mama's help, you can ask for it. Do you want Mama to help hold it? Or you've got it?
I got it.
I've got it.
I just got it.
That's right. Okay, press down hard.
Hey, Mama.
Yes?
Do mine.
Can you say, excuse me, Mama?
Excuse me, Mama, please.
Okay, that's a nice way to ask Mama to help. We made a beautiful flower. Look at that. Can you show Daddy the flower you made?
Make it topper.
Show Daddy the flower.
Do top. Do top.
A new top for that flower.
Do top.
Very nice. What's this called, Lex?
Mm.
Is it Play-Doh?
It's a Play-Doh.